Hello, I'm reacting to Bill Cipher. You should turn this up.
Hold on.
Okay, let's see this channel. This is the Chicken Nugget Club one. Tell me in the comments how you guys think about Bill Cipher.
Go to David's house, but I'm not gonna go there.
Who's David?
That game, the one I was continue playing, the first one, I got admin for 4 Robux. I had 6 before. And I think I got 2. It stole
Okay.
my Robux. But I don't really care. Chicken Nugget Club. Oh my god. Let me see. What is this? I've seen it before, but I just haven't played it.
I might play this. This looks
like
good.
First game I
Tell me in the comments if you guys want Springtrap to react to. Well, not react, but play Chicken Nugget Club on Roblox.
Free stuff.
Yes.
Except
okay.
when my mom bought me some
and do you guys like my new
Robux.
voice? I'm gonna be pretty cringy now, so yeah.
70 something, and I bought something for 19 Robux, and then I spent the rest on clothes. And
on clothes? Oh, on Roblox. I thought you meant in real life.
What the heck? This is the weirdest game I've ever seen in my whole entire life.
Of course it is. It's legit a world made out of chicken nuggets with smiley faces on them.
How did they get like that? Oh my god.
This is quality drawings. Who drew these chicken nuggets? They are quality. They made these on the computer, I think. They look delicious. McDonald's.
Chicken nuggets surrounding you.
Exactly.
So weird. I mean, I like how there's obbies. Was that a trail? I want the trail.
This is an obby?
If it is. Okay, it's not a trail. How are people turning into, like, chicken nuggets? I guess if you play the game, or maybe it's...
I don't get this.
Mirth. More.
Oh my god. That
would
song is, like, so dope.
I didn't do that.
You're talking about copywriting. Well, I saw your Bill Cipher video on the song. That's copywriting. I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't want to be copyrighted.
You're gonna get copyrighted by that Bill Cipher song. It said made by something who you aren't. So yeah, just telling you. Be a little bit on the safe side. You might want to delete that video. It literally has the name of the guy who made it. You're gonna get copyrighted.
I might have to join, like, okay, I'll go to
what is going on?
So I can join the thing. I guess I don't know how to go to groups, though.
Okay. How long is this video? See. I might not be able to say bye, so yeah, I might just be gone right after it finished, so I might have to do the intro. I don't know.
Okay, don't say the. I just guess I'll look up. I don't know how to go to the groups, though.
You know what that chicken club thing reminds me of? I'm gonna go get it.
Oh yeah, right here, groups. Let me search it up. Chicken Nugget Club. Chicken Nugget Club.
It honestly reminds me of this.
Chicken Nugget Club. Create group.
Bunch of mixed up weird stuff. Kind of like this numbered Rubik's Cube.
Sure, what? I just said sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Number Rubik's Cube.
I said want to talk. Oh, I said want to talk. I said sure.
I'm gonna have to react to this after too, because I don't know.
Yeah, no.
Well, at least Havoc can just see this.
Cipher?
I'm gonna have Havoc react to the second
Cipher,
part.
That was only a few minutes ago, so I'm gonna go back to this, go back to groups, go back to this, go back to groups. Come on, hurry up. Yeah, I might make the video.
What is going on right now?
Sorry, guys, by Nicholas77. Just kidding. I'm on Team Turtle. Yes, my Forrest and Kane. Mistake. If you're buying Robux,
Excuse me. Like, what the heck is going on?
Yes, I have used that. I've used it a lot.
Now you're switching to a different game?
It's not a scary.
What is going on?
I'm grabbing the horse.
I'm confused.
Chicken. How do you spell chicken? How do you spell chicken?
I don't know.
Chicken nugget. Nugget. Chicken nugget club.
Oh, he's getting back onto Chicken Nugget Club.
For chicken nugget club, these ones club. No, chicken nugget club. Official fan. Oh, here it is, the chicken nugget game. Chicken nuggets are life. Join group. Join group. Duck, chicken, bird. I have joined. Wait. I think I might have to unjoin another one. I'll probably unjoin Seth's Plays.
I want to join the Chicken Nugget Club.
Okay, now let's go back to the game. Hopefully I can go back. Chicken Nugget Club. Oh, it's a Chicken Nugget Club.
What is happening? What the heck is going on?
Okay, guys, so hopefully I can go to that door I tried to go to last time because I couldn't go. Well, let's see where that door is exactly. Where is it? It's not here. No, I don't want to go there. You better not touch that.
Okay, what is going on? Sorry, Havoc just showed his big head in the thing.
Right, blue team. Their teams.
Just saying, Havoc's name is not actually Havoc. Just put out some disclaimers. It's not Havoc. It's not. It's not. So yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to wrap it up here. I'll play it some other time. Bye.